Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Helldivers 2. Whenever you try to launch the game, you got the black screen problem. Let's fix it guys. The first solution consists of two simple steps. The first step is to verify the game files. To do this, you just need to open up Steam. Right click on the Helldivers 2 and select properties. Select installed files and select verify integrity of game files. After finish verifying, let's move on to the second step guys. The second step is to run the Helldivers 2 in a window mode. To do this, you just need to go to general on here and check my video description for this launch option used in my video. Copy and paste it. After pasting in launch options, you just need to close stuff here and launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to update your graphics card drivers. To do this, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. In here, you need to select the product series over here. Select your Windows version and select search. And you will be get the latest driver for your graphics card. Select the download option. Select the download option and download it. 474.82. I already updated this version, that's why I'm not going to install this driver. You just need to install the latest driver for your system guys. After getting installed done, you can check if the problem solved or not. For AMD users, you just need to select your product from this list. Select your graphics card model guys. After selecting it, select submit. In here, depending on what type of windows you have, select expanded and select the download option and download it guys. After downloading it, you just need to install the driver. After installing the latest driver, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. This solution only work if you have black screen problem after updating the graphics card driver. The solution is to roll back the graphics card driver guys. To do this, for AMD users, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video for downloading the old driver. You just need to select the product series over here. Select your operating system, Windows 11, and select search. And here you can able to see the old driver available over here. You just need to select the old driver guys. This is the latest driver, this is the old driver. Select it. Select the download option and download it. Select the download. After getting download done, you just need to install the old driver guys. After getting installed done, you can check if the problem solved or not. For AMD users, you just need to go back. We updated the driver. In here, you just need to check the release date. Release date 3/20/24. And now you just need to click on the minus symbol and click on the previous drivers. Click on it. You just need to click on this place on depending on what type of windows you have. Now you can able to see the old driver guys. Select the download option and download the old driver. After getting downloaded the old driver, you can install the old driver and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.